Licensure Examination for teachers. Subject: Mathematics. Field of specialization, for secondary level only. Topic: Teaching principles. Strategies in teaching mathematics, assessment and evaluation in mathematics, problem solving and processes. Question number 1. Which teaching strategy best develops students' critical thinking and reasoning skills? A. Lecture method. B. Drill and practice. C. Problem-based learning. D. Memorization. Correct answer: C. Problem-based learning. Why C is correct? Problem-based learning engages students in analyzing, reasoning, and solving real-life problems. Why the others are wrong? A. Teacher-centered. B. Focuses on skill mastery only. D. Emphasizes recall, not reasoning. Edge knowledge. Critical thinking equals problem-based, inquiry-based. Question number 2. Which strategy is most effective in teaching abstract concepts like functions? A. Pure lecture. B. Use of manipulatives and visual models. C. Repetitive drills. D. Oral recitation only. Correct answer: B. Use of manipulatives and visual models. Why B is correct? Concrete and visual representations help students understand abstract ideas. Why the others are wrong? A and D, too abstract and passive. C. Practice without understanding. Edge knowledge. Abstract to concrete first. Question number 3. Which type of assessment is conducted during instruction to monitor learning? A. Summative. B. Diagnostic. C. Formative. D. Norm referenced. Correct answer: C. Formative. Why C is correct? Formative assessment provides feedback while learning is ongoing. Why the others are wrong? A. After instruction. B. Before instruction. D. Compares students. Edge knowledge. During teaching equals formative. Question number 4. Which assessment best measures problem-solving skills? A. Multiple choice test. B. True or false. C. Performance task. D. Matching type. Correct answer: C. Performance task. Why C is correct? Performance tasks allow students to apply strategies and reasoning. Why the others are wrong? A, B, and D focus mainly on recall. Edge knowledge. Skills equals performance. Question number 5. According to Polya, what is the first step in problem solving? A. Carry out the plan. B. Devise a plan. C. Understand the problem. D. Look back. Correct answer: C. Understand the problem. Why C is correct? Understanding the problem is essential before choosing a strategy. Why the others are wrong? A, B, and D come after understanding. Edge knowledge. UDCL, understand, devise, carry out, look back. Question number 6. Which teacher action best promotes independent problem solving? A. Giving the solution immediately. B. Providing hints and guiding questions. C. Requiring memorization of formulas. D. Demonstrating every step. Correct answer: B. Providing hints and guiding questions. Why B is correct? Guiding questions help students think without removing challenge. Why the others are wrong? A and D removes student thinking. C. Limits application. Edge knowledge. Guide, don't solve. Question number 7. Which process standard emphasizes explaining solutions clearly? A. Reasoning and proof. B. Communication. C. Representation. D. Connections. Correct answer: B. Communication. Why B is correct? Communication involves expressing mathematical ideas verbally and in writing. Why the others are wrong? A. Focuses on logic. C. Uses symbols and graphs. D. Links ideas. Edge knowledge. Explain equals communication. Question number 8. Which approach encourages students to construct their own understanding? A. Behaviorism. B. Constructivism. C. Essentialism. D. Perennialism. Correct answer: B. Constructivism. Why B is correct? Constructivism views learners as active participants in learning. Why the others are wrong. A. Focuses on stimulus response. C and D. Teacher-centered. Edge knowledge. Student-centered equals constructivism. Question number 9. Which test compares a student's performance with other students? A. Criterion reference test. B. Formative test. C. Norm reference test. D. Diagnostic test. Correct answer. C. Norm reference test. Why C is correct. Norm reference tests rank students. Why the others are wrong. A. Based on set standards. B. For feedback. D. Identifies weaknesses. Edge knowledge. Norm equals ranking. Question number 10. Which classroom practice best promotes mathematical reasoning? A. Copying solutions from the board. B. Timed drills only. C. Asking students to justify their answers. D. Memorizing procedures. Correct answer. C. Asking students to justify their answers. Why C is correct. Justification requires logical thinking and explanation. Why the others are wrong. A, B, and D. Passive or mechanical. Edge knowledge. Reasoning equals justify answers. If this video gave you an edge, sharpen that like button and subscribe to stay ahead.